Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Decided to run both trains tonight. Just got done overhauling the BL2. Changed the wiring up, put a headlight in it. Got it rigged up a little better than it was. Used to be I had to run it both throttles. Now all I have to do is just, there we go. All I do now is one throttle, just like on the large scale controls the headlight. The other one controls the running. And how I did that was it makes a power function switch that you can purchase. It's like a $3 switch, and that makes a lot of difference. Thank Glenn Holland for that one. So, and you see the G scale in the background there. So, yeah, quick little running video. Figure why not. And show you guys the lights under here in the building. I need to light up the rest of them. So, yeah, I figure this is an early edition of Nader's Weekend Vlog, but I'm probably just going to call it a running video. Or I might do both. So, hope you guys enjoy it. Nader's Boxing, and I'll see you next time.